¡Ay, pendejo!
¡Arrodíllese! ¡Arrodíllese! Shots fired, shots fired. ¡Arrodíllese!
A U.S. Border Patrol agent reported footprints from a group of 5 to 6 individuals approximately 200 yards north of the border and 20 miles northwest of the Eagle Pass port of entry. The agent used his service radio to notify other agents in the area as he tracked.
Arrodíllese. 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 No, arrodíllese. Si tiras algo te voy a matar. Te disparo. Te disparo. Arrodíllese. 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 Go ahead.
¡Ay, pendejo!
Arrodíllese. Arrodíllese. Shots fired, shots fired. Arrodíllese.
¡Mátame! ¡Mátame!
Arrodíllese.
¡Mátame, pendejo! ¡Mátame!
Hey, shots fired, shots fired. Arrodíllese. I'm trying to take care of the wounds right now. Señor, ¿qué sientes? Señor, señor, ¿qué sientes?
Muerte.
¿Ah?
Muerte.
Estoy tratando de parar la sangre. No te preocupes, señor. Vas a vivir, ¿ok?
¡Ay! ¡Ay!
Vas a estar bien.
What's your status out there?
I'm treating the subject's wounds right now. He's been shot in the leg.
Do I have any assisting or going out to assist? Shots fired.
¡No, güey! ¡No,
Yeah, I'm told we're shooters in the area.
güey!
Sir, you're on the radio.
Yes. ¿Para qué me puedo México, man?
10-4, do we have the status on...
¿No quiero México, man?
Can I get a gun for them? Because I know it's on fucking...
¿Por qué a México esto?
Just for me, I'll still check on it.
Señor,
Perdón.
tú vas a vivir, ¿ok?
You might want to notify DPS if anyone is in the area to assist as well.
Estoy hablando con agua.
No tengo agua. No, aquí tengo agua, mira.
Copy, agents. Go ahead.
Ay, 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 ay.
Hey, what's the status? Going down, someone is bad up there where they're at.
Ay.
Hey, Captain, copy.
¿De qué país eres ciudadano, señor?
Sound like it was Jones.
Mexicano.
We're en route now.
¿Ah?
Got your mic down.
No, quédate ahí. Quédate ahí, ya viene médico. Ya viene un médico.
Hey. I got DPS. We're already bad.
Oh. Oh. Ay, vato. Qué chingado. Ay, men. Ay, 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 ay.
¿Cómo te llamas? ¿Cuál es tu nombre? ¿Ah? ¿Cómo te llamas?
Request EMS to get out there in their location. Copy.
Ay.
Ya. Say again.
Send EMS out there.
Ay, vale. Ay, ay, ay. Ay, 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 ay. Todo lo del
Hey,
momento.
copy.
No me quitas la esposa, ¿ok?
10-4, ma'am.
Ay.
Please notify DPS we have an airship available. An air unit available.
Oh.
Mueve la cabeza.
Ya me puedo ver.
10-4, let me see what I can get, sir. 10-4.
Ay.
No me puedo quitar.
Ay. Ay. Ay, güey.
Right here!
Ay, men. Ay, ay, ay. Ingo. Ay, ay, ay.
Right here!
Ay, men. Ay.
I just kept my my goth my cloth on right here.
Ay.
Do you have an undershirt by chance?
Yeah, I do. Can you, if you hold this, I can get it out.
Ay. Ay, ay, ay.
¿Cómo te llamas, señor? Shit, I hope he's not going
Did it go through?
I don't know.
Units on the ground, be
I don't think-
advised, I have
Here, could you hold pressure with your knee instead of your hand?
Yeah.
Like put all your fucking body weight on it.
Okay.
Oh. Ay, ay, ay.
Be advised. I'm coming into Kamala now.
Mi pata, güey, que se me pata.
I'll let you know when we get on Jones Road.
Ay, ay, ay. Mi pata, güey.
No te muevas, ¿entiendes?
Traffic up there.
Ah.
¿Cómo te llamas? ¿Cómo te llamas?
Hey, we're gonna need life support. I can get cords in a minute.
¿Qué me estás matando con la pata?
You said you don't have an undershirt? or
I do.
nothing?
I do.
You do? I'm trying to get his. Make sure you keep your pressure on your knee.
Oh.
This one? Yeah, get that off.
Oh. Oh.
You shoved it in there?
No, I didn't.
No?
Still on time.
I was trying to push it in there, but then I was like, you know what? Let me just keep pressure.
Is it high enough? Yeah. Perfect. Alright. Let me start the fucking turnkey on here.
Okay.
Alright, I'm gonna take his pants off. I need you to put
Okay.
your chest down
Okay.
in there. Alright?
Okay.
Right over the middle.
Ay, ay, ay.
Hey, what you said?
Ay, vato.
We're gonna need life flight.
Ay, ay, ay. Ay, ay, ay. Ay. No, tranquilo, tío. Ten cuidado.
Todo está bien, señor. Cálmate.
I'm right with them right now. I'm not sure what's going on there.
No, man. Au.
¿Te calmas? ¿Te calmas?
Ay. Ay, me está chingando por la pata del gasoso.
He's putting a tourniquet on right now.
Oh, thank you. Come on now.
Ay, ay, ay. 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 Ay.
¿Te calmas?
Man.
Hey man, the comms are really bad. I can't even get
Ay,
on the radio
ay.
either.
Ay, güey. Ay, gato.
Someone up close. Switch the realize he was.
Au. Au.
Hey sir, can you guys
Au.
please
Ay,
keep us
güey, no
abreast of what's
mames.
going on and teach and
him on the regular channel so we can copy everything.
Hablándome, señor. ¿Cómo se llama? ¿Cuál es tu nombre?
Estamos en la pata, no estamos viendo, güey.
¿De dónde eres?
Hey, cop and I are putting a tourniquet on right now.
Ay,
Michoacano.
ay, ya.
Bueno, bueno.
Ay, mijo, está chingando la pata. Ay.
No. Quédate ahí.
We're off of Jones Road in the brush. If you have, we should be on there, or at least the gray spot where I lost.
Oh. Au. Ay, vato.
Status on injury. We can let EMS know.
Hey, trying to get lifeline if you can.
Can you get life light? He has been shot in the leg, and we just put a tourniquet on.